Personal branding. 1. Create the image you want people to see. Creating a certain identity is essential for personal branding. It should draw on elements of your personality that are already present, but you don't have to reveal everything about who you are. Stay true to yourself and concentrate on what makes your personality and brand distinct. Consider some well-known celebrities who have created a persona for themselves. 2. Use social media to promote your brand. Social networking is the primary means of promoting yourself in the digital age. In addition to blogging and taking pictures, you may also create videos or blogs to aid in developing your brand. You want to give the visitor a reason to keep visiting, so your content should both showcase who you are and provide value. To establish a presence on social media, post frequently. Maintain a consistent posting schedule and set aside time to engage with your followers. If you're attempting to promote your ability, for instance, post videos of your singing so people can see it in action. On the other side, you can concentrate on where you aid others in doing your function. Encourage people to follow you to expand your base. Although publishing content is great, if you don't have any followers, your work will be lost in space. Get your friends and their friends to follow you by asking them to do so. By leaving comments on, liking, and sharing other people's content, you can network as well. There is a distinction between encouraging individuals to follow and spamming them with follows in exchange for follows. While saying, "Follow me for some good content," is not spam, saying, "Follow me for a BFF, best fan forever," is. On most websites, it is against the law to spam users in an effort to increase your number of followers or subscribers by following or subscribing to them. 3. Utilizing social media curation, concentrate your brand. Focusing on your brand may entail removing content from social media if you already have it if it doesn't support the picture you want to project. On the other hand, consider the fresh content that you post. Every image or post you share online should support the perception of your company. 4. Expend your energy on conventional media. Try expanding your brand if you've established one for yourself. Make contact with local program producers, especially if you want to promote something, like a new book. Don't be scared to try more than one show because many will reject you, so keep that in mind. It's wise to start modest and advance gradually. Before giving you a shot, the majority of national shows prefer that you have some local airtime. Be realistic in your goals and refrain from carpet bombing, self-promotional activities. You're unlikely to be asked back to the wine festival with your craft beers, and hip-hop newspapers are probably not interested in interviewing your bluegrass band. 5. Do not fear failure. Believe in your worth as a brand and in yourself. To succeed, you must put yourself out there. Risk submitting your manuscript to a publisher or securing a performance at a significant festival. You'll eventually succeed if you're committed to improving your work and practicing your craft. You can't just keep trying the same thing after failing, though. You must absorb the lessons from your errors and improve moving forward. For instance, you might need to start over if you're writing a novel and it gets rejected 20 times. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.